Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to create a forms. So as you can see on the screen, we have created a page to display the customer information. Now we will create a form which will be display here to add a new customer records. So let's navigate to the Profisee application. Then go to the form section. Then click on the new option here. Give the name to your form. So create customer. Then choose the person entity from here and give the title to form. You can also give the description as well and set the form width and height as well. Then click on save button. Then give the name to your tab. So I'm giving customer info tab name. Click on OK. Then choose the layout grid. Then add the column. And under the column, we have to add the fields that we want to give to user to add the record. So click on the first field. From the attribute section, select attribute. So I want to give first name. Then choose last name. Then source email. And source phone. Then click on save and close. So our form, create customer form is successfully created. Now we will attach this form to our customer info page. For that purpose, click on fast tab. Select our customer fast tab. Click on edit. Under the pages, select the customer info page. Click on edit. And from this add member form option, select our form that we have created, which is create customer. And then click on save and close. Then again click on close. So our particular form is successfully attached to our pages. So then go back to our application and refresh the portal. So this plus button is created successfully here. Click on that button and the form is displayed here. You can add the new record information from here and then click on save and close. So that's it for today's video. We have successfully created the form and attached to the pages. Thank you for watching.